God damn it. Hopefully I will get something good for Christmas. Last year my mom ain't give me a goddamn thing for Christmas. She gave me some fucking clothes. And she gave me a 3 terabyte game hard drive. Which in all reality, it's cool. It's Pro Evolution. It's a little white box that looks like a PlayStation with a blue light. 3 terabytes. Goes along with the shit that I'm trying to do. On my 1 terabyte hard drive that I got plugged up to the TV, I have 460 movies. Something like that. I have almost 500 movies. I put that shit on the hard drive, you plug it up to your TV, you can have endless fucking movies. That's what I'm working toward, you know what I'm saying? Movies with no internet, you know what I'm saying? In case, if the fucking power, internet and everything goes out, as long as you got power, you got movies. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? All this shit is temporary, basically. Apps and all this shit. Like people that watch my shit, God forbid you talk to me, you know what I'm saying? God forbid you have anything positive, you know what I'm saying? God forbid you follow me, subscribe to my shit. God forbid you help me figure out a way to get fucking money, since I figured out we can print checks out of our Federal Reserve accounts. Social Security number is an account number. Mine's Federal Reserve Bank in Philadelphia. That routing number and account number. Put it on a fucking check, print me a check. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got a fucking printer right now because I'm a target. Everybody hates me, nobody will help me. God forbid somebody help me, right? God forbid I ever get in the movie or get in the music industry. Fuck, I've had to live the shit because they made me live the shit these motherfuckers rap about. Why can't I be in the booth fucking rapping and shit? The fuck? See, I have no help. I had a goddamn girlfriend or a fucking dad. Oh, but they wanted me to be just like all these little fucking pieces of shit. Grew up with no dad, grew up with no help, grew up with nothing. So they want me to be worse and have less than all these fucking pieces of shit that didn't have a dad growing up and shit. Fuck out of here. We need to kill these motherfucking homeless boys. Boy Scouts of America. Motherfucker. It's like this shit. People that are serious about shit that you say, I'm just playing. You know what I'm saying? Like, my dad's friend. Allegedly my dad's friend. I think he's one of my dad's gang stalkers. His name is David Dool from Blount County. David Dool, first of all, sounds like a fucking made up name. You know what I'm saying? That don't. My name is Daniel Overstreet. You know what I'm saying? That's a name. His name is David Doyle. My dad's name was Danny P. Overstreet. Dan P. Don P. You know what I'm saying? When my dad was alive, they would say shit and it would be a fucking joke. You know what I'm saying? He'd say some stupid shit. I'm just playing, you know what I'm saying? Ha ha ha. But now that my dad's dead, shit that people were just joking about when he was alive, people are serious about now. I'm gonna put a video up, a stupid fucking video. The motherfucker was over here talking to my mom, and it seems like everybody's trying to get rid of me so I can get closer to my mom and dad, try to get some money. But I had some movie prop money. It says on the money for movie motion picture purposes only, for motion pictures only. It don't even feel real, you know what I'm saying? It looks real on a camera. And I showed him, and this motherfucker took it and was gonna keep my motherfucking shit standing here at my goddamn house. Standing, you know what I'm saying? My mom's sitting on the fucking porch. This old raggedy, fucking fat, nasty, raunchy, white trash, fucking nigger loving piece of fucking shit is propped up on the fucking banister and shit talking to my motherfucking mama. And this motherfucker talking about he gonna call the motherfucking police. He gonna tell on me for having fake money because it's illegal. Bitch, I ordered it off of Wish for free at that. I paid shipping and handling and got the fucking a stack of money for free. We need to get rid of these motherfuckers because they are trying to get rid of us. My dad told me, shit, I was probably a teenager. That motherfucker came home and his daughter was getting a fucking train ran on her. Old white man, his little daughter was getting a train ran over by fucking niggers. Now he's got a little nigger grandbaby, so he can't be trusted. See what I'm saying? He's on their side. He's trying to get rid of motherfuckers like me. I'm wondering why in the fuck my black friends ain't got shit to do with me. Why white friends? I ain't got no white friends, but I think I got a few black friends still that are black. See what I'm saying? Or white, basically. Seems like they tried to get rid of all of us. Cause I ain't the only one that got some stupid fucking charges that don't even make no goddamn sense during COVID-19. And now, the police that gave us the charges need to be getting charges because every time they put their hands on us, they assaulted us. Every time they took us somewhere against our will that we did not want to go, they fucking kidnapped us. Every time they held us for a sum of money to be paid upon our fucking release, bond money, we're held for fucking ransom. See what I'm saying? My mom and dad paid the ransom multiple times. And then my mom stopped fucking paying it. The fuck? Then they hold you for unreasonable snack food prices. $4 fucking for a pack of Reese cups. A square with 2 Reese cups in. $4 fucking. I need my motherfucking money. My lawsuit money for my rights being violated. I need fucking security to make sure that ain't nobody ever gonna abuse me ever again. See what I'm saying? I need help. I need family. Or I need to create and build a fucking family so we can all become secured parties and make fucking money. 10 grand a piece, 10 people to 12 people, 10 grand a piece, we can become millionaires easily, quickly. But they want their little fucking fuckboy ass police officers to be involved in everything. They want police officers to be people's best friends. You want police officers, little fuckboy, snitch, police informant, family members to be girls' best friends and guys' best friends. They want to get rid of motherfuckers like me and slip their little fucking pieces of shit in everywhere. Fucking get rid of them. Like, I know I can't be the only one whose 1441 whose parents talk to people like they're friends, and all these motherfuckers call to do is ask fucking questions. What are you doing? None of your fucking business. See what I'm saying? They talk to them and then they're assholes to us or me in general. Am I the only one?